Okay. Yesterday, what did we start using in math class? What? Rulers. Okay, so we started using our rulers. We are going to keep practicing with our rulers. You learned it in first grade?
Yes.
Good, then it should be easy peasy. It's not. Oh, he's already got one. Okay. Remember, our ruler. Please don't bang it and don't spin it. Put that away. Put it away. Albert, what did I just say? No banging and no spinning. Okay. All right, remember our ruler has two sides. There's one side that goes to 12 and one side that goes to 30. Do we remember what those are called?
Inches and
Centimeters.
Centimeters.
All right, the side that goes to 12 are the inches or the centimeters? Inches. And then the side that goes to 30 are the centimeters. Everybody say centimeters.
Centimeters.
What does CN mean? What does CN mean? 100. So centimeters is 100 to make 1 meter. Okay. All right. Just a fun fact. What? You got your hands dirty? Oh, I'm sorry. Do you want this one? Okay, so we are working right now on inches. We have not gotten to centimeters yet. Alan, I am 100% sure I asked you to put that away. If you sit still, you will not be so hot. If you sit still, you will not be so hot. Yeah, so we are on the side with the 12, the inches. Okay. We're going to what? We're going to pass the inches. Then we'll do the centimeters. And then we'll do meters and yards and feet and all kinds of good stuff. All right, so yesterday we were trying to measure some things that we have, but it was a little hard because we had to get up and get our backpacks. Alan, change your colors. Yeah, I will not tell you again. And so that was a little hard. So today we have one, and I think everybody has all of the things at your desk already, so nobody has to get up and go anywhere. Okay. You're welcome. Okay. Now some of these, pass it, Mario. Now some of these we're all going to have the same answer, and some of them we are going to have different answers. Okay. Wrong side, Ronnie. There you go. Everybody should be on this side with the pictures.
Yes, I understand.
Every time on wrong side. The side with the pictures. Is that the side with the pictures? You tell me. Thank you. So well is that. Thank you. Okay. So the first thing, everybody has their ruler?
Yes.
Remember that when we measure with our ruler, we start at the edge of the ruler and we line it up with the edge of whatever we are measuring. Okay? Now, the first thing that we are all going to measure is our pencils.
Pencils.
We're all
My pencil is 15. Mine is.
No, we're using the 12 side. So I'm going to line it up with the edge of my ruler. Everybody's probably going to have a different number. Nope, I want you to just write it down. Write it down. Yes, you just write the number. Exactly like we did yesterday.
Notebook.
Miss White's pencil is 7.5 inches. Remember, if you have a half, it's a big number 7, and then the little 1/2. Yours is 7.5 too? Does anybody have? Alan, jump. Does anybody have a pencil bigger than 7.5? See, I have one bigger than 7.5. Raise your hand if your pencil is bigger than 7.5. Nobody. Who has a pencil that was 7 inches? Raise your hand if your pencil was 6 inches. 5 inches. 4 inches. 3 inches. 2 inches. 1 inch. Okay. So what was the smallest? 4.
Yes.
4 inches was the smallest.
Not 5.
No, Shane King's yours was 4.
Y el mío también, pero tengo otro.
Alan,
El mío was 5.
Okay. Number 2, we need to measure our spelling notebook. Get out your spelling notebook.
It can be every notebook. It's like my spelling notebook. Pero si se mira así conmigo.
A spelling notebook. Alright, everybody should probably have the same number on this one.
9.5 is mine. 10.5. 9.5. 10.5. 10.5.
Raise your hand if you think it's 10.5. Alright, let me see.
Mine is 8.5.
Does it get all the way to the 10?
No.
If it does not get all the way to the 10, then it cannot be 10.5.
Mine is 9.5.
Look, you have to start all the way at the end of your ruler. Alright. Thank you. Everybody should have the same answer because all of our notebooks are the same size.
I have 9.
Pretty much everybody's is 9.5. Remember, it's not 9.5, it's 9.5. Good. Big 9, little 1/2. Oh my gosh, this one we have to measure our foot. Alright, don't take your shoe off. Just do it with your shoe on. Let's see. Alan, what did I say? Yours is 10 inches? No, it can't because mine is 10 inches. Yours is smaller than mine. Look, it's a lot 8.5. number is, I will ask you. I do not want anybody shouting it out. Thank you. All right. Miss White was 10 inches. Which means I'm pretty sure nobody here has bigger feet than Miss White. So your number should not be 10 inches. If you got 10 or bigger, you should probably check again. All right? No. All right, so Miss White says 10. Who thinks theirs says 10?
Mine is 9.
No, I said 10. So Well thinks his is 10. Let me see. I think that's more like 9.5.
8.
But you have big feet. Let me see. Wow, yours are pretty close to mine. All right. So who has 9? Me. Just raise your hand. You guys got 9. Chantal, you got 9? Let me see. 9. Oh, you're right. Who got 8? 7. 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Alan. You raised your hand already. Thank you. Did anybody have any halves? I have halves. What was your half? 8 and a half. Chloe? 7 and a half. Joelle? 9 and a half. Ariel?
9.
Just 9. 8 or 8 and a half. 8. All right, next. A color. If you have crayons, markers, or colored pencils, whatever you have, measure one of them. If you do not have any, just share with somebody right next to you. I said that somebody right next to you.
Muy gracias para usarlo de acá. 5.5.
No, I said don't say any answers. Okay, Miss White did this marker. Okay. Line it up on the ends. Mine says 6 and a half.
Me too. And mine has 5.
All right. Raise your hands if yours is bigger than 6 and a half. What did you have?
7.
What did you measure? Was it a colored pencil, a marker, or a crayon? A crayon? You had a 7.5-inch crayon? I don't think so. I think you're using the wrong size. Are you using?
Yeah.
Oh, Irani? I said bigger than 6 and a half. Bigger, más grande. I said bigger. That means does anybody have 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5? Nobody.
I have 10 things. 3.5.
Alright. Okay. Raise your hand if you did a marker. Who did markers? What did you get? 5. What did you get? 6. And a half. Shanky, you did a marker? Steven? Good. Who did colored pencils? Ashley? Joelle? Chloe? Idani? What about crayons? 3 signs out? Oh, 3.5. That's a big difference between 7.5. No one else did a crayon? Alright. Your eraser. We might have to share because I know not everybody has eraser. Or you can measure the one on the end of your pencil. Measure your eraser. Sit down.
That's right. That's right. It can be the same. I don't have a buzzer.
You need to share. Idani, share your eraser, please. Who else has an eraser they can share? Abigail has one. Chloe, do you have one?
It's right.
Shane King has one. Share your eraser so we can measure them. Oh, what do you think that's going to be? We talked about that yesterday. Does it get all the way to the 1?
No.
So it's just what?
It's what has.
Alright. Raise your hand if your eraser is bigger than 1 inch. Does anybody do eraser down to 1 inch?
No.
No. So we're going to round and we're going to say what? Not 1.5.
0.5.
Huh? Just 1/2. Alright. Okay, because it does not get all the way to the 1, so we cannot say 1.5. Just 1/2. Yours past 1? Let me see. Oh, you have a big eraser, so what is yours going to say? What? 1 Yours is 2.5. 2.5. Alright, what's next? Your thumb. Measure your thumb.
La pulgada de la pelea. 3.
No. Alright, Miss White is 2.5. I don't think anybody's thumb is bigger than Miss White. Look, I want you to go like this, where the skin is, and then put your thumb on it. Let me see. No, it's 5. Look, where your thumb is. 2, let me see. Wow, yours is 2.5. You have a long finger. No.
No.
Alright, write it down.
I have two.
Okay, you write what your number is. These are Miss White's numbers. Alright, a piece of paper. You can measure this one we're using right here. What do you like? Everybody should have the same number for this one. Let's see. 11.5. No. Mine is only 11. It's only 11. The paper is 11. Let's measure it. Let's measure it the other way. Measure it this way. How long is it this way?
8.5.
Yep, there we go.
8.5.
Alright. The other side, I want you to do silent and solo. Just measure the line. Alan. And when you're finished, make sure your name is on it and bring it up to me. Yes, I'm going to check it.
If we have a you're going to live in the house.
Shayla.